Hello everybody and welcome to the Creafoam channel. My name is Hans and today I'm going to show you how to make this hat. We call it the Mad Hatter hat because it's based on the Mad Hatter character from the Alice in Wonderland movie. What we need is foam, not EVA foam but our own Creafoam, which you can glue without using glue but only with hot air. We do have videos on how to cut foam and on the different gluing techniques, so be sure to watch those first if you haven't done that already. These are the pieces we're going to need. People that already worked with our foam, they will recognize that this is the one size for all version, which is perfect for this hat. You need this piece, so we're going to glue this like that. If you choose not to do that and somebody taps on your hat, you will get something like this. You can see a circle here, so when you glue this piece on, you have to make sure that there's a little space in between. Okay. Next up is this piece, and we'll glue both sides together. We'll use the heat gun, but it's on a stand, so we have both hands that we can use. Don't forget to heat the inside as well. The seam we just made is a little bit difficult. You can also use some tape. That way you can use both hands freely and it's easier to make this seam. So now we'll heat a little part and then push it down. And we'll do this step by step until we have the whole seam glued together. Next step is this piece on top of the other one. You can see a circle here, so we'll have to make sure that this piece follows this circle. There's also a seam here, so we'll make sure that this is at the back. Now we're going to take this last circle and glue it on top. Make sure you glue it on the inside and not on the upside, because you don't want to see this. So we're going to glue it on the inside. Okay. So now the basic shape is finished, and you can put whatever you want on top of it. For this hat we're going to use butterflies. Of course, you can add as much butterflies as you want. When you're making foam hats, it's normal that you have fingerprints. Also, there are some parts that are more shiny than others. That's where you heated the foam. Now you can make them all disappear just by going over them with hot air, and everything will disappear. By doing this, you also have an even shine now. When you're using glitter foam, it's easier to glue it first. When you glue the glitter foam, make sure that it's not like this, because then you will get in trouble if you glue this whole piece on the bottom part. I left a little bit of space here and also on the other side. That makes it easier now to glue these parts together. You can see that this seam is not really, doesn't really look nice. So we'll put another piece on top of it, but we'll have to use glue to glue it. So this is impossible using only hot air. Now for the glitter foam for the top part, it's easier to put the regular foam in first and then glue the glitter foam afterwards. So that's what we're going to do now. As always, you can choose between a lot of different foam colors and also a lot of different finishing materials like LED lights, tubes, glitter foam, feathers, and even fabric. If you're interested in the patterns, they're available on our website. So that's all there really is to it. Now it's up to you to make your own hat. When you're watching on Facebook, please like and share this video. When you're watching on YouTube, please look at our other videos and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter. If you have any questions, please contact us through the contact form on our website or just leave a comment. Thanks for watching.